Hello everyone, my name is Ramatu and today I want to show you how I cook my tuwon shinkafa and melon soup, which is very popular in the Hausa speaking region of West Africa. So come with me. Yeah. So now I will pour the oil here. I have good, very nice oil. I can add my onions now. I love a little bit of spiciness, so I have all this together with the ginger, the onions. I add a lot of onions because you have that sweet taste from the soup. I add the smoked fish to the soup. I add my chicken and beef stock. I can add water. Before I cover it, I have to add some seasoning. So this is cinnamon and seasoning. It depends on how you want it. For me, I don't like much seasoning. Salt to taste. So this is it. So now after adding everything, I will let it cook for at least some 15 good minutes. The next thing I'm going to add is my melon. For instance, I have this which is called egusi, but it's also called melon. This is popularly called riɗi among the houses. So I normally use this riɗi because it's very creamy. I have crayfish too here, and this is a little bit spicy. It's called Cameroon pepper. Very spicy. So I mix everything together. So this is locust beans or the dawa. So everything here is ready. So I have all this ready. All this I prefer to grind them together. All this together with water. So that's how I got this. I added some water to it to get this. The melon is all ready, like I said. So everything is going to be added to the stock that is cooking now. So for me, I want my melon well cooked, so it takes at least 15 to 20 minutes. It depends on how you want it, but for me I prefer 15 to 20 minutes to get my melon well cooked. So you can see. So now it's time to add my chicken and the beef. So now I have pumpkin. So for me 15 minutes is good. I will come back to it 15 minutes to add the last thing, which is a surprise. Vegetable anyway. Vegetable is optional. Today I have spinach. Normally this is how I use my spinach. I just like to a little bit squeeze it so that, and I make it in just 2 minutes. It's gone. I add a little bit salt again, then I do the last seasoning. So now it's time for the tuwon shinkafa, which is made of rice. Normally for me to have the type of tuwon shinkafa I want, I usually go for the rice, the broken rice. The broken rice, so this is what I use. And I do soak my rice for my tuwon shinkafa for at least 20 to 30 minutes before I cook. Like this one, I soak it for about 20 minutes ago. So once my water is boiled, I'm going to add it, and it doesn't take time to cook, and that way I can have the type of texture that I want, very, very smooth. So this is my pre-soaked white rice, broken rice of course. Don't forget to soak your rice if you want a perfect result. I reduce the light, low heat, to allow it to cook very well. So we give it 20 to 25 minutes to cook. Then we come back to it and see how it goes. But I have to check from time to time to see if the water is finished. Then I can add more water if the rice is not done. If not, I continue cooking. You can do this for parties, but for me today I'm having it together with the tuwon shinkafa lunch, so we can enjoy it together with the family. So easy to make fruits. Yeah, to make it appetizing, of course. Super delicious. You can only imagine. Oh, I feel I'm in Africa. So finally, this is it. Tuwon shinkafa and melon soup, and we have come to the end of this episode. I hope you too will try it at home. If you like it, you can drop in the comment section what you think and anything you want to say about tuwon shinkafa and melon soup. You can hit the like button and you can also subscribe. So that is it for today.